how to create a Monese account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can create Monese account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically create a Monese account, all you have to do is open the Monese application here, and once you launch the Monese app, you will see this type of interface. Or first of all, if you don't have an account, you can tap the login option to enter your details and then log in respectively. But since we are trying to create a new account, we will just tap on the get started option that you can find here, and once you tap the get started option, you can simply make sure to enter your email address that you have access to. Once you enter the email address over here, make sure to select a region as to where you live, and once you select that region, you can just select the invitation code and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then just tap the get started option. Once you tap on get started, it's going to send a confirmation email to your email that looks like this. So open your email and then just tap on the first link of Monese, and once you do that, you can tap the confirm your email option. Once you have done that, you'll be able to take into the page where you can simply enter your other related factors such as your phone number, your postcode, your region, and other details, and creating a password, and your Monese account will get successfully created. And that's all it takes to create a Monese account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.